I'm Victoria and I'm studying chemistry for sustainability in a master's. I'm really interested in understanding and developing techniques that can further our sustainable goals. As a university, they're very focused on expanding this, and with our Catalysis Institute, we can actually implement this and research how these can be used in industry. I think this course prepares you to go into anything you'd like to do. I think it's very broad. It's very broad, as in it gives you lots of skill sets, but it is specific to sustainability. So you're applying a very unique thought process of things, the way you analyse and approach problems. So I'm personally going into the defence sector for now, private industry, in researching on that side of things. But in the future, I'd like to go into public research and to actually use my skills for the better good. The teachers are amazing. We have some of the best in their field, and we've been taught by some of the best researchers in their field. So they've actually managed to teach why they've done what they've done and how they've got there. So, for example, we've had Graham Hutchins, who's done our gold catalysis, and he is a big cheat. So chemistry, I didn't choose chemistry. Chemistry actually chose me. I had a rocky first year, but then I fell in love with it in the second year. I loved organic, the promise of it, but the actual practice of it is very hard. So physical was my way forward. I love the mathematical aspect of it. And then as I've grown up in chemistry and got into my postgraduate, I like inorganic a lot more now because it has that flexibility of physical mixed with being able to use the amazing techniques and equipment we have here in the Catalysis Institute. We've used really powerful electron microscopes to study the crystallography of different compounds. So we've changed pH and we've managed to change things from spherical to cubic, and we can see that under electron microscope on a very tiny scale, and it's very cool to see that. There was a jump, but it was quite well managed. We managed to have a nice model to start us off, to do some, or to be given some talks on how the research is actually being done around campus, so we can actually see how we fit in with that and how our undergraduate studies fit in with postgraduate studies. It is a jump in workload, but it is well worth it because you get to do some fun labs. So as president, what we do is we organise events that aim on socialising within your course, because everyone's new to Cardiff and everyone's new to everything, and you might not have friends in your course. It can be difficult. The older you get, it's more harder to make friends. So what we do is we aim to make social events that everyone can attend. So we'll have lots of socials that are nights out. We have a big ball at the end, and we have a crawl with other STEM societies. And then we also have educational events. So we try and get some of those in there and try and highlight different things you can attend. And there's also a nice merch you can get. You can get a nice fleece which says School of Chemistry on it. But you should definitely join to feel like you're part of the school and you're part of the family here in Cardiff.